Alright, welcome to this tutorial, JavaScript DOM. DOM stands for Document Object Model. Alright, so now let's go and let's see what the DOM actually does. Alright, the document object represents the whole HTML document. Alright, when HTML document is loaded in the browser, it becomes a document object. Okay, it is the root element that represents the HTML document. Right, it has properties and methods. By the help of document object, we can add dynamic content to our web page. As mentioned earlier, it is the object of Windows, so we can use the Windows.document. Windows.document is the same as the document, so we can just use Windows.document or we use document. All right. So now the properties of document objects. What are the properties of document objects? Well, we have the document. The three main properties of document object are the link, the form, and the anchor. So for the form, we have the button, the reset, select, radio, checkbox, text area, and text. All right. While for select, we just have the options. Okay. So now the method of document object. What are the methods of document objects? We have the write string, which writes the given strings on the document. All right. Now we have the write in. All right. The write in string. This writes the given string on the document with new line character at the end. All right. Then we have get element by ID. This returns the element having the given ID value. All right. Now we have get element by name. This returns all elements having the given name, this returns all the elements having the given name value. All right. Now the next one we have get element by tag. This also returns the element having the given tag. Any element having a particular tag that is specified in this method, it will return all the elements having that particular tag. Then we have get element by class name. So this also returns all elements having the given class name. All right. Now, assessing field value by document objects. Assessing field value by document object. In this example, we are going to get the value of input text by users. All right. We are going to get the value of input text by users. Here we are using the doc.form1.name.value to get the name of the to get the value of name field. All right. Here, document is the root element that represents the HTML. Form1 is the name of the form, right? And name is the attribute name of the input. All right. And what value is the property that returns the value of the input text. Now let's go and see what this means. All right. Now, just as the previous slide has said, we have the we use the document dot form1 dot name and dot value, and the document represent the HTML document, while the form1 represents the HTML the form tag. It represents the form tag, right? And the name. Form1 represents the name of the form tag. All right. Form1 represents the name of the form tag, and the name is the attribute of the input text. All right. So now, without wasting much time, let's dive into the text editor and run this code. Okay, so let me just give this a random name, run.html. all right. So I might just copy all this, come here and paste them right here. Okay. So here now, let's delete this. All right. So the first thing we are going to do, I'll create my form tag. All right, create my form tag. I'll create my form tag and give it a name of form I'll give it a name of form 1. All right, so inside this form 1 I will create let's say let me give it a label. Give it a label for name. So here I'll write enter name. All right, so now I will create an input. Okay, now I will create an input. I'll create an input and give it this one, the type will be text, and give it the name, give it a name of name. All right, give it a name of name. Okay, so and I'll also create another input and I'll give that a type of button, button. Okay, so on click, I'll make it on click. This is what I want it to do whenever it is being clicked on. So we'll print the value. We'll print value. All right, we'll print what? We'll print value. So we'll give it a value of, we'll give the input a value of print name. All right, give it a value of print name. So now we're done writing our form. Let's write our CSS script. Okay, let's write our CSS script. So here we give it a type of text. Give it a type text slash Java slash JavaScript. Okay, so now we have give it a function. Give it a function of print value. The function of print value. Okay, and a variable of name, and this should be document. Okay, document dot form 1, document dot form 1 dot name dot value, just as it is being specified on the slide. Okay, so after that, now we'll now make an alert. We'll make an alert to the welcome. Okay, welcome plus name. All right, so let's run this code. Okay, run. Okay, now so we put what name? Let's say we put udev up, and we click on print. It will print out welcome you dev up. Okay, welcome you dev up. All right, so now we've seen how that works. So now in the next tutorial, we'll be looking at the JavaScript document.get element by ID. So we'll be getting an element by ID in the next tutorial. So see you in the next tutorial. Bye.